Hello friends, this is our next numerical on the same topic of chemical kinetics. For a first order reaction, time taken to reduce the initial concentration by a factor of 1/4 is 10 minutes. Find the time required to reduce the initial concentration by a factor of 1/6. So friend, when we look to a 1/4 and 1/6, we will be get confused. But actually it's so simple, is like a percentage. Suppose there is 100% of the reactant is there and it will be decomposes to 25%. Okay, actually the meaning of this numerical is the 25% decomposition of the reactant is required 10 minutes. Okay, then how much time is required to decompose the 1/6 of the concentration of the reactant. Okay, so friends, by using the first data or first terms, we will be solve the numerical by using the first order reaction equation, and then by using that first rate constant, we will solve the second one. Now the given one is that, what is the given? Is it's the first order reaction. Already mentioned here. Okay. Then next one is the time is given. Time is given, that is the 10 minutes. Next one is 1/4. Means what? If initial concentration is A, it will be reduced 1/4 in how much time? 10 minutes. Then second term is given there. Initial concentration is 1 here, I just mentioned, and A minus X. X is given 1/4, and I just find out A minus X means what? 1 minus this one, and the answer is 3/4. Okay, this one. Then second is, we want to find out T if A is 1, X is 1/6, and A minus X is equal to what? 1 minus 1/6, and here I will get the answer 5/6. So friend, by using those of the values from the given data, we will solve the numerical here. Okay, let's start. Are you remember the equation of first order reaction? Yeah, that is the K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log of A upon A minus X. As a substitute the value 2.303 by T is given, that is the 10 minute, log of A is 1 and this one is a 3/4, and when we rearrange it or simplify this one, we will be get that I just divide this term by 10, 4/3. By using the calci, I just solve it. Four by 3 is equal to 1.333, and I just take the log of 1.333. I got here 0.1248, and I just multiplied this term by 0.2303. I will get the answer 0.02875. Okay, rounding up, and the unit for this is per minute. So friend, here we get the K1 value from the given data. Now here we want to find out the T value by using this K1 value. Then I am again write the equation. K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log of A upon A minus X. I just rearrange the equation because in this case I just want to find out the time regarding to this K1 value and that concentration. I know the K1 value 0.02875 log of 1 upon 5 by 6 Okay, then simplify this one 6 by 5 and by using calculus I just find out the answer for this. $80.1043 and I find out the logarithmic term or answer for this. Answer for this is 0.07918 and I multiplied this term to this one into 0.07918 into 80.1043 and here I got 6.3426 minute.